Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I am going to just clean up a little bit here and there. My ice machine is making so much noise. I do have to put away some laundry and organize some of my daughter's summer clothes, even though it's not summer. Spring is like right around the corner, so I do feel like I need to kind of organize all that stuff. So let me just show you guys a little bit of that. Nothing really crazy today. Cooking a home chef today, and then making steak for the fried rice that I made yesterday. But yeah, nothing really crazy. I really hope you guys enjoy. My room is a really hot mess. I am getting Easter ready for my best friend's 2 boys. By Easter she will have 2 boys. Oh my god. And of course I'm Mexican. And then my mom brought me today stuff that she got at Walmart and a basket for my daughter for Easter. And I looked at her because I usually wrap and buy all the presents for Christmas. So she literally, I looked at her and I was like, so I'm also doing Gia's basket from you for Easter. And she's like, yep. I'm like, she's like, it's not done though, I have to buy more stuff. I'm like, that's fine, but okay. So stay tuned for a what I'm putting in my daughter's Easter basket, and also what my daughter's grandma's putting in her Easter basket video. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day. Grab you some coffee, some water. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. That is how my videos get recognized and YouTube starts sending out my videos so that I can get more of a following on here and likes and comments. Yeah, let's get into it.
All right, so I started out with dry Swiffering the hallway, and I went into my daughter's little corner that we have for her in the living room. She does have her own playroom, but of course it's her living room too, so she has her own little corner right there. So I also vacuumed and made sure I got all the little crumbs, you know, if you have a toddler. And then I'm going to go ahead and organize her little snacks that we have on the table. I always keep some there because she is a snacker, so she likes grabbing some and asking for some. And I like it to be, you know, whenever she decides she does want to eat something.
No idea how all that stuff fit in there. But this is our junk drawer and I just organize it.
No lie, I cannot move on with cleaning my daughter's stuff without fixing whatever was going on in there.
All right, moving on. I love this table chair set. This is where we hide her diaper and wipes for her changing time. I love it. It makes it so much easier. And here I'm just gonna go ahead and clean everything up and put it all back. Again, she was coming down soon, so I couldn't actually, you know, wet Swiffer like I wanted to, but that's okay. This is her little setup in the corner with her little books and markers. And she absolutely loves that little area. She plays there all the time.
All right, so I cleaned as much as I could, but I couldn't film the rest because my mom actually came downstairs. She was with my daughter upstairs in her actual room, and I couldn't clean the rest because she was literally, you know, helping mommy. So I'm gonna go ahead and make Italian style sausage, Super Toscana, basically like the version of Olive Garden. I've made this before. It's actually on my food Instagram, but I just wanted to get it from here because I did not have to shop for the ingredients, to be honest. And then I am going to make some steak for the fried rice that I made yesterday. So let's go ahead and get into that. Video is not sponsored, by the way. I buy and pay for everything with my own money. Just saying. If something was blissfully sent to me or anything like that, I will let you guys know.
Right, so for the actual recipe, guys, I am gonna just throw it out there before. It does have everything inside the bag, but it does come with spicy ground beef, no, Italian sausage normally use on it, but since I do want to give some to my daughter, I'm actually going to just use ground turkey. So yeah, just throwing that out there.
All right, I'm not really gonna do a tutorial on the food. I feel like you guys don't really like that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly show you guys me cooking the meal. And of course, to keep my kitchen nice and clean, I am cleaning and washing as I go. Although at the end, I always end up cleaning and washing more. But I don't have a dishwasher. I am the dishwasher. So, you know, I have to make sure I maintain it and, you know, continue to do it as I go. and here I am seasoning the steaks. I did cut the steaks in half just so they could cook a little bit faster.
Made that like super fast in like 40 minutes, guys. Let me show you what I have so far. I'm just warming up the rice. My husband's gonna get here soon, so I'll be putting her to nap soon. But let me show you what I got. So I'm warming up the rice that I had made again yesterday. I made the rice to go with some egg roll, meat egg rolls that I made, which is why it's just plain fried rice without any meat. So I'm gonna put that steak in there, and then this is the sopa toscana soup. This is going to be our dinner today. Mom is here. She actually brought us some Portillo's chopped salad without cheese. Amazing. So we're gonna have a good, nice dinner. But again, my baby has to nap prior to me eating. And she needs mommy because she still can't nap solo. Struggle, but it's okay. She's only gonna be little once, right? This is what the chicken fried rice looks like. I mean steak fried rice. And then I actually taste it. So it does not taste like Olive Garden's sopa toscana. The one I make tastes a lot more like it. But it's good. We'll be eating this later on. Sorry if you hear my daughter. Well, not sorry, but you can hear my daughter. But yeah, that's dinner. The pan that I just made the steak on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put her to nap, and then we'll eat. Then I'll make my husband's lunch for tomorrow, and I might organize her clothes. Not sure yet, but yeah, that's it.
This ended up being 2 hours and a half later. My daughter had a really good nap today, so I am gonna go ahead and serve the meal for myself, my husband, and my daughter. It was really good. The soup came out really good as well, and the rice, and of course me and my husband shared the Portillo's salad.
All right, dinner was delicious. Let me quickly show you what my mess looks like. It's not too bad because I did clean as I went, but you know, still happens. Not too bad. Dishes not too bad. And then of course I have a toddler, so that's there. And then another table gotta be cleaned and everything. And again, I have a toddler, so actually not too bad though, compared to normal's hot mess that I normally have. So let's get clean.
And yet again, here I am washing some dishes. I hope you guys don't mind the clips of washing dishes. Let me know if you guys want me to keep them in, or you know, try to speed them up even more. Let me know. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos, commenting, liking, and subscribing, and supporting my channel. It means so much to me. Remember, all those comments, likes, all do help my channel grow. I feel like I never show it, but I am cleaning my daughter's high chair. I do clean this every single day. Of course, if she eats there, unless we eat out. But yeah, it has to be cleaned and wiped down every single day. All right, now it's to go ahead and broom all that rice that we ate, that my daughter dropped. It actually wasn't too bad this day. So I am brooming the entire kitchen, and then I'm using my wet Swiffer today instead of my steam mop. But you know, I like switching it back and forth. We do have to do our deep clean soon for spring, but that will be later on in the month probably. All right, and jumping right into doing my husband's lunch. It's very simple. It's cheese, either turkey or ham, and some spinach, and I just wrap it up, cut it in half, and that is his lunch. He absolutely loves cold lunch, so that is what I do for him.
That's my drink, but that's it. Nice and clean. Ignore my little fridge there. It's the one I used to use for my skincare and it died. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and fold my daughter's clothes right now. So let's get into it. Okay, so the clothes that I'm going to put away is half spring summer and half of what my husband washed of clothes that she wears now for still winter. So let me show you. Before I show you, my daughter and my husband are in her playroom, which is actually where I keep her clothes. So I'm doing it in my room, so it's not set up at all. But I'm gonna kind of show you how I'm gonna do it. So if you see my other kind of putting away my daughter's clothes video, I store her clothes in little organizer things like this. So these two I already I emptied out and got ready. Got ready. I just put the thing in it. But I'm basically going to put her new clean clothes right here, and have it ready. So I'll just put it right on top of each other. So when spring summer comes, it just goes right in there because it's nice and clean, right in the drawers.
Not gonna lie, guys, I love folding my daughter's clothes versus folding mine, and it was kind of different because usually my daughter is with me when I fold her clothes, so it's usually I'm folding, she's unfolding, so it was nice to get it all done.
All right, so this is the clothes that I have to go put in her drawers. That is like, you know, fall winter clothes, and then this is the summer clothes I'm about to place in those little thingies. Hopefully I have enough room for that. I think I will, but we will see. All right, so right here I put outfit sets that she has so far for summer. Here are her onesies, short sleeves. Right here I have her single shirts. These are her shorts and hi baby, and boy shorts. And then right here I have one side is long sleeve, short sleeve shirts, long sleeve pants, and the other one is short sleeve shirt and short sleeve shorts. Short sleeve shorts, PJs. So this is all her little summer stuff already getting ready. So happy that I just did this right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in a corner of her room until it is time for me to do it. I know I have a mess here. I promise you it was organized, but my munchkin actually destroyed it when she comes in my room. By the way, let me show you. So I actually bought her this at Target. These are, I believe, size 6. I had to buy her size 5 because she's a size 5. And the size 5 fits her a little bit big, so I got her size 6 just to have her ready. But anyways, the whole point of me showing you was I got her these. They're so cute, and they light up. Wait, they're not lighting up now. There we go. They light up. I got her a size 7 for next winter, so I'm so happy I found these. They were 11 bucks from $37 at Target. Yes, go to Target right now, guys. And then I found these for my best friend's son. They had these, and again, they were like 11 bucks from 37. And my husband was like, oh my gosh, get those for him. So I did. Got him and her those cute little shoes. I also got her some other little shoes, but they also light up, and she ran away with them. So she can go ahead and stay right away with them. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff in her room, and then also put her clothes away that I just, you know, folded.
All right, guys, and this is what it looks like in the drawers. My regular, her fall and winter clothes. It's all by pants, onesies, long sleeves, short sleeves. The PJs are all organized by size as well.
All right, guys, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and leave a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.